Time check, it's 4:30 AM in the morning and punta ako kayo sa Our Lady of Manawag Church kasi birthday ng father ko. So, magsisimba kami. So, I guess it is the best time to use this. This is Andescent Lamal Elixir. Since malamig, I think this is the perfect time to use this scent. Sobrang lamig and medyo wala po talagang araw, kaya pangat ng lighting. Anyways, let's use this. So, ilang sprays ba dapat? When I use this, I only use 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Optional lang siguro sa likod ng bulk, pero yeah, it's all up to you. Pero sa akin 5 to 7. So, ikaw nang bahala dun. Yun na nga. Scent profile nga pala nila mga elixir is lavender mint with the hint of vanilla and honey and tonka. So, napaka-sweet talaga niya. So, it is a very good fragrance pagdating sa gabi or sa init na malamig na sitwasyon. So, it is a very good winter fragrance, or let's call it cold fragrance. So, after nga na umalis na kami ng brother ko, sabi niya sa akin, sabay na tayo pumunta doon sa Manawag. So, I said, G, tara, para may kasama rin ako. Boring pa mag-isa eh. And then, here we are at Lady of Manawag. Yun. By the way, this is one of the tourist spot here in Pangasinan. It is called Our Lady of Manawag Shrine or Epiphany of Manawag. So, fun fact pala about sa akin, I used to be a religious person. I'm as a Christian for 4 years or 5 years, I forgot. And then, I almost went to seminarista kasi hindi ko tinuloy since I think it is really not my calling. So, yun na nga, waiting for blessing na lang kami. Smell check na tayo. So far, andito pa naman. It's so good. And yun na nga, umalis na kami. This is the church front. So, sa mga gustong bumisita ng Pangasinan and have the blessing of Our Lady of Manawag, then come here. It's a good place. Welcome to Pangasinan. Anyways, after nun is bumiyahe na kami. So nga lang napansin ko, sobrang vibrate ng phone ko. Kahit nakaka-lock na ako and vibration dampener. So, hindi ko rin naman nadala yung GoPro ko. So, sayang din. So, yun nga. I stopped the video here. Natatakot ako baka mamaya masira yung camera ko. So, yun na nga. After nun is punta na kami sa Jollibee Calasiao to eat foods. By the way, here's my brother. Medyo long hair siya. Badigang puta. Anyways, here's my family. I have 1 sister and 2 brother. Ako yung panganay sa family namin. Hehe. Fun fact lang. So yun na nga guys, nakauwi na ako. Blessed Sunday to everyone. And yun na nga, final conclusion of Andescent Lamal Elixir. So far, ang ganda ng performance niya. Ang lakas niya mag-project. Ang ganda din ng longevity niya. And then sabi sa akin ni mama ko, nag-yose daw ba ako ulit. Kasi minaamoy daw siyang parang yose sa akin. Pero wala naman. But yeah, all I can say, so far, ito siguro isa sa mga pinaka-best product ni Andescent. So if you're looking for a sweet masculine scent, then go for the Andescent JPG Lamal Elixir. Final comment lang pala, since ang alam ko si Andescent lang talaga ang merong Lamal Elixir na inspired. So and siya lang din ang alam ko na Lamal Elixir na dupe or clone. Wala pa akong alam na clone ni Lamal Elixir. So it's a very good thing na meron si Andescent, and promise ang ganda ng performance niya. Maybe clone level na siya kung tutuusin kasi same sila ng performance ni OG Lamal Elixir. But yeah, it's up to you guys kung gusto niyo ba yung Lamal Elixir. If you're into sweet masculine type of scent, then Lamal Elixir of Andescent would be the good thing for you. But yeah, yun lang. May pupuntahan pa mamaya, mag-basketball pa ako. Maybe that's another video. But yeah, as always, peace.